It is March on 10, Unta, and I'm in Rochelle making videos of a BNSF Tron at Railroad Park. Unfucking fortunately, this will probably be the last Tron video I get during my visit to Atlanta and then the Chicago area on the way back. Trons are fucking cool. And ooh, Trons in the same video. Oh my god. It's exciting to get videos of Trons. And then on behind that Tron has JB Hunt, which rhymes with cunt. It's the first and only time I got cars that had JB Hunt, which rhymes with cunt, during my entire trip. I wonder which Tron will end first. There's another car, 4 cars with JB Hunt that rhymes with cunt that came by. It looks like it's the end of that Tron, and it's the end of this Tron. How did they time it out like this? Oh God, I'm afraid this is the last thing I might get to experience that make me happy. This fucking coronavirus fucking bullshit. But I was lucky that a Tron came by. I'm so glad I have Asperger's, because I make the most interesting Tron videos in the world. Nobody makes more interesting Tron videos in the world. As I said before, it really fucking sucks and blows whenever vacation comes to an end. But being able to make interesting and thought-provoking videos greatly reduces the greatly reduces the severity of the suck. And I'm so glad I have Asperger's, because I make the most interesting Tron videos in the world. Nobody makes more interesting Tron videos than I do, and usually it's the Union Pacific Trons that come by when I've been here previously. I know there'll be no Trons on that line for at least a long time, so now I'm checking this over here. But and the fucking buffets are fucking not open, but there is, Hometown Buffet is doing takeout, but it's not all you can eat. And the more you get, the more you fucking pay. That really fucking sucks, so but I gotta eat something, because restaurants are now closed in most states. When I was in Tennessee, that was the last state I was in that had any restaurants still open. I don't know about Georgia, because that's where I left. But I'm so glad the new Trons came by, and hopefully this Code Vig or whatever the fuck Anton Code Vig dash Anton bullshit ends soon. But now there's over 1,000 cases in this country, so and it's going to probably even go a lot higher, and I sure as hell hope I never get it. I doubt that a Tron's going to come by on these railroad tracks. Certainly not within the next few minutes anyway.